spot. In this video, so we will learn how to Sophos XGS Firewall port forwarding setup. How to configure port forwarding in Sophos XG Firewall. Let's start. Now first we log in with our Sophos Firewall. Log in with admin. Now we have login. Go to the system. In system, go to the host and services. Then select IP host. Click on add button. Enter the host name. Here in my system, host name is here I am configuring SFTP. SFTP IP host IP. Now type the IP address of the host server 16.100.3. Click on the save button. Now SFTP IP has been added successfully. Now second, then go to the services tab. Here click on the services tab, then click on add button and type the name of the service. SFTP ports. Here I will type .22 port. Because by default port of the SFTP server is 22. Now click on the save. Now you can check the SFTP port is configured. Now next we will go to the rule and policies. In the rule and policies, click on the add firewall rules and select server access DNAT. Select the here you can select the SFTP. Then click on the select the international IP. Then click on the next. Then in public IP address, select the port B. Here is the our port B is a WAN IP. And click on the next. Then click on the next. And add the new IP. Here I am selecting SFT ports, which is I already configured. Click on the next. Back. Okay. Try to select. Click on the next. There will be, you can leave it as any. Users can access the internet from selected source network and devices. It should be any. Click on the next. Now rule is now created. You can see here the rule is created. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.